Hi, it's Jackie Solucio. In this video, I'm going to go over how to create what we might call a collapsible accordion, to where, like, instead of each of these sections displaying one after another on the page, we're gonna make him look. I don't remember if this has it on the home page or not. This one does not, but on a lot of our sites we have a collapsible accordion type news area. So parish history, what are we going to do? I think the first task is going to be to create a new category. So this is going to be a subcategory. I usually make the name reflect whatever the page is, and then add articles to the category, and then put that as a child in case you of whatever the page is. And remember, a category is a folder, not an article. But the page, that way if you end up having it link, it still has a page to anchor from, which will be whatever page it's created on. So the first task is to create a category or subcategory for that page. The second task is visit the module manager, and we should have, there should be at least created one roksprocket list module, so we can take the frequently asked question ones and use that. There also may be one in the trash that wasn't used in the build that could be repurposed. So we're going to use this one that was originally going to be parish headlines. We're going to repurpose this to be parish history. And no position. We're going to make sure it's published. The title can show or not show. Our assignment is going to be no pages. Under advanced, we'll take out any classes and notes. And then over here on the right hand side, we're going to link it to that new category that we just created. There may not be any articles in this category yet. So there it is, history articles. I will usually add a specific article at the top of the screen, and we might have one on most of our sites. There should be a blank one called blank do not delete. We're just going to put that at the top and set the title to none. And this is going to allow you to see all the titles all at once without having any of them collapsed initially. In this instance, I don't think we're going to have anything link, so we're going to set our default link to none. Our preview length, we want to go ahead and see all the characters, and then previews per page is going to be the number of articles on that page. I didn't count, but I'm assuming in this instance, if we put 20, we'll be okay. We do not want to strip the HTML tags, otherwise everything's kind of got to run on with each other and it won't have a separation of paragraphs. We can hide the arrow navigation, hide the pagination, and that should suffice. Save and close. So back in our history, these are currently all one article. So how I would, I kind of assumed, I made an assumption that these were broken apart into separate articles already. Working from the bottom up, actually how I would typically do